ensure mass testing will be launched from tomorrow, says Chief Minister N. Biren. Left parties of Manipur says they will support farmers in protest against price hike. Home Look requests government to look into COVID-19 illegal test kits in the black market. Hello, welcome to ELITETV English News. This is UTPALA Konsam. Now the news in detail. Manipur Chief Minister Nongthombom Biren has said that the government is planning to start mass testing by going to each home. He said this during a mass vaccination camp of women vendors of Kwarmban Kethel held at Ima Market. Talking to media persons, the Chief Minister informed that no family members would be allowed to support or assist the patients who are undergoing treatment at COVID care centers or hospitals. No family members would be required to provide meals for patients at hospitals or COVID care centers, as meals would be provided by the government, he added. The Chief Minister appealed to the people to not get together in large numbers in the night. The government will implement strict curfew at night time to curb the rise in COVID positive cases.
Madugi potuma koi chana thangna ba kai ge mayam si government na puthoga pinana ba torge mapan gi ninda changan raba akoi yum da house to house testing to house to house testing to hodra de kaino imung humna loin tawna reba anu imung amagi mi ma test to ba imung amadu da mi do test kaima positive ora magdi whole imung do akoi mapan da puthokra mapan da puthoga covid care center da thambra natragna home isolation in yong ma thamba Highly Banise Torogadi, Equi extortion, equidization people, Karaki Manipur later post a Karaki control of Bungamin have quite importantly mass vaccination. Honorable MLA sing, honorable minister sing, I think BJP Karikata Punama, President, Loina, Mapam the Salagoji, vaccination drive Tori. The Masida Mediagi is in now with Suyan Matin Pambiba, Yamnumai, Naramateda, Hida Kapam Matunda, Mamit Burapoki, Mayama social media. Adagi noigi mayang gi channel da tobi budo madu hida ka pa hengalak na bagi encouragement na ma koi aduna media gi sinno mayam busoi I thanks to jari madi thagat sari.
Later, Chief Minister N. Biren went to inspect another vaccination program held at Kontha Khabam Ibimcha High School at Hengang. Speaking to media person, he further said a few weeks back people were afraid to get vaccinated, but now they are no longer fear the vaccine as they understand its usefulness. Doctors for You helped by providing many doctors and nurses at the vaccination programs today.
We are providing doctors, nurses, then data entry operators, then volunteers, multitasking staffs, nursing orderly. We are supporting the government with all the staffs to run the extensive vaccination program across the state. So today also our team is here doing the extensive supporting the government with the mass vaccination campaign.
Health departments involved torga awareness bi makoi de phajna tawdi hojik turnout ki jang yam thina yam hai ba tare cheng har ga de ko ngasi mausa khoi mafam asida koina 200 ki expect tawna dubo lak ko around above 300 ki mathak da thokle hai tare ko
community hon sing ja la ka gi naharon jing sina adagi kaudharaga akoi vaccine je yam line yan ham da kona primary health center Natraga hospital da chalaga kamna rambodo hujiti yam laina khudong vaccine kapagi khudong chabache mayam da pire adana asuki matik pajasina ju vaccine je loina imung amada kapa yaba mi gai tak paktakna na kape na ai han logjar
hanadi mayam je loi kinarami dana hojikti masina vaccine gi kana baje mayam masi kapaga haksang nungai haksang phai adai mathang da thar web la ko da ngak tho ani ha je mayam je loi hujik di bhap ta na dana ba hujik ti loi kap na re ai isa ju ai luang changmam dai ni si khabam ta la kap ji ne.
Meanwhile, curfew has been extended till July 20, whereas the COVID situation in the state continues to be of concern and still warrants measures to control the spread of the infection. A press release issued by the Chief Secretary of Manipur, night curfew will be imposed from 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. in all districts. Moreover, authorized service centers of personal computers and mobiles may be open from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. The left parties of Manipur said they will support Sanyukta Kishan Morcha on the protest against price hike in fuel and commodities. CPI Manipur State Secretary L. Sotin Kumar, in a video release, said that all the left parties CPI, CPIM, RSP and AIFP will fully support the cause. He further said that the central government's action of raising the fuel price 36 times is a blatant disregard for the people. CPIM Manipur Secretary Khetri Mayum Santa said the farmers of the land will conduct a gherav at the upcoming monsoon session of the parliament on 19th of July. The protest is to save the land of the farmers and the left parties of the state will fully support it, he added.
July Parliament
Lomi sila sanction gedoriba ginau tobi kumdang sida akoi tang kumhede hona Manipur isu lomi niam sin thadna sau yana ba akoi bonagani amadi masda Manipur niam sogorbi haina ayana de participant singuna haise.
A COVID-19 mass vaccination program headed by Thoubal Assembly Constituency MLA O Ibobi and District Administration Thoubal in collaboration with Task Force Thoubal Khetri Lekai was held yesterday at Thoubal Khetri Lekai Tomjing Makhong Town Hall. A total of 207 individuals got the first dose, while 17 people got the second dose of the vaccine. All club organization, association and Mairapai B Loop condemned the selling of illegal COVID-19 test kits in Manipur in a press release. Standard Q COVID-19 AG test kit and the other similar kits not approved for personal uses are available in the black market. A central team headed by Additional Deputy Director General and EMR Director Dr. L. Swasticharan already directed the state government to take strict actions against those selling the illegal kits, said the release. Akwam Lok expressed their concern at people illegally testing themselves at home and possibly slowing down the progress made by the Chief Minister in fighting the pandemic. The press release urged the concerned departments and Chief Minister N. Biren to look into the matter. It's time for a short break. See you right back.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯛꯇ ꯇꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯌꯨꯝꯅꯥꯝ ꯚꯨꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯖꯔꯕ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯁꯥꯒꯩ ꯅꯥꯇꯩ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯃꯔꯨꯞ ꯃꯄꯥꯡ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯂꯝꯂꯒ ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯖꯨꯟꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 18 ꯏꯉꯥꯒꯤ 19 ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯂꯩꯄꯥꯛ ꯄꯣꯛꯄ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇ ಶ್ರೀ ꯒꯨರುꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯄꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯗꯥꯕꯟ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯞꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯖꯨꯂꯥꯏꯒꯤ 12 ꯏꯉꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯅꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧꯀꯥꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇ ꯁꯣꯔꯥꯠ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯦ COVID ꯂꯥꯏꯆꯠꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯋꯥꯔꯧꯕꯤꯗꯅꯕ ꯅꯣꯜꯂꯨꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯄꯥꯎꯖꯦꯟꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯌꯨꯝꯅꯥꯝ ꯇꯣꯝꯕꯤꯅꯧ ꯗꯦꯕꯤ ꯁꯥꯙꯔꯃꯤꯅꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯅꯥꯝ ꯆꯤꯇꯦꯁꯣꯔ ꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯆꯥꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯌꯨꯝꯅꯥꯝ ꯖꯣꯟꯁꯟ ꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯆꯥꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯌꯨꯝꯅꯥꯝ ꯔꯣshni ꯗꯦꯕꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯅꯥꯝ ꯑꯣꯡꯕꯤ ꯃꯥꯙꯨꯔꯤ ꯗꯦꯕꯤ ꯃꯃꯧꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯅꯥꯝ ꯔꯟꯖꯤꯇꯥ ꯗꯦꯕꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯅꯨꯄꯤ
Hello and welcome back. You're watching ELITETV English News. Social worker Prasujit Sanganglapam extended help to farmers in Tongju Assembly constituency in the form of fuel and money. He expressed that he was doing this as farmers have been facing many problems, including lack of water in the agricultural fields. They were suffering silently and he wanted to give a bit of relief to the farmers, he added. Essentials commodities were donated to a senior citizen home at Kongwa Nongthombam Lekai by Samurai Lapam Dorendra Sharma today. In an effort to ease the problems caused by second wave of COVID-19, SH Dorendra donated the essentials to help the seniors as a part of his mother, S.H. Radhe's Shraddh ceremony. Speaking to media persons, S.H. Dorendra said the ongoing pandemic has affected everyone, including the seniors in old age homes. He donated these essentials in his mother's name to keep her legacy and help people along the way, he added. Himalay Marel Women Welfare Association Secretary Chanambam Joychandra expresses gratitude to the family for giving help during these difficult times. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee STDMC expressed their condolences at the demise of Founder President Yumnam Mohendro. A meeting of the executive committee and advisors were held via video conferencing and 2 minutes of silence was observed. He played a pivotal role in the movements to save the indigenous people of the state. His death is a loss to the people and the state of Manipur, said the committee. LJP State Unit's General Secretary and Social Worker Kundrakpam Kanba Maitai gave away essential food items to family members affected by the COVID-19 second wave at Awang Wabgai, Kongampat Kunau and Kachikul. With the help of local clubs and LJP State Unit, K. Kanba Maitai went to each household and gave the items away himself. People of the constituency expressed their thankfulness to K.H. Kanba Maitai for helping the families in containment areas by providing these essential items. A team of CDO Imphal West, led by Sub-Inspector Birla, seized 171 litres of DIC liquor from Tera Bazar, Sapam Lekai today. The team raided a house and found the large amount of liquor in the possession of Wahengba Borajao Singh, age 49, son of W. Chaucho Singh of Tera Bazar, Sapam Lekai. The detainee and recovered articles will be handed over to Excise Department of Lamphel for further necessary actions. It's time for another break. See you right back.
Kaya lo sandribo. As karanga na sasiya na harago.
Kaya noy sibo, kaya siya pinay sibo.
Hima. COVID ki vaccine kap thok se na ngana du phas na hai ni dudi.
Ay haksang ka stok de. Ay kapoy. Nate, haksang ka stok do ba inguni da kapa kay kada no. Ay kapoy hasin.
Tamo, narak dringai dana isana hana sexual ho na phatro. Kap thok na phatabra ba.
Hoyare, section mana dum kapuro. Ay kapoy.
As khangdre da. Kamai ngana do na khangdre. Phare, adu de chalu khige. Pungo, mamai da kapuge ko, papa ga leramo.
COVID-19 लाइसेट असि ngakthoknabagi damak COVID ki vaccine kapna लाइसेट असि mari lenaba laina लाइसेट singdagi ngakthokjaba ngami masida natana लाइसेट asina sanghandanabagi damak matam matamgi sarkarna pirakpa sana kakmon sing aikhoi ngakna satminarasi Cowin apps ta register topiduna adomsu suksoi soidana vaccine asi kapthokpiu COVID ki vaccine kapthokpuna COVID leitaba iramdam mu heminarasi
aikhoi vaccine kaplese
BJP Manipur State Council member and BJP Lamlai Mandal Chairman K.H. Ibomcha, along with COVID-19 second wave fighting task force, gave away essential items to 25 families living in containment zone at Thayolkhul, Lamlai constituency, and one family in quarantine at the community hall of Nongpok Hairok today. Speaking to media persons, K.H. Ibomcha said, "We should not lax precautions for the COVID-19 pandemic. We should all be responsible and get the vaccine as well as do frequent testing to make sure we have not contracted the virus," he added. Amuko gave away essential items to 200 families in Thoubal district with the help of the All Thoubal District United Clubs organization. In his goal to help 10,000 families, Amuko, along with different organizations, has helped 5,842 families as of now. Amuko Organization Secretary in charge Koijam Santosh Maitai and Aduko President Loitam Rajen was present in the campaign today. A COVID-19 awareness program cum poster campaign organized by Celine Digital and NR Media was held today at Sahibung. In connection with the awareness program, Fanjaubam Lanajit Singh producer Celine Digital said the program was held specifically for Sahibung, where the tunnel for Indian Railway is being constructed. KSH James Singh, FPO Celine Digital, NR Rajesh, proprietor NR Media, and Manish Kumar PD, VCLL attended the program. Regional Outreach Bureau ROB, previously Song and Drama Division, expressed their condolences at the untimely death of its former director, Ningthaujam Nabachandra, who died due to a personal illness at Narayan Super Specialty Hospital on 7 July. The artists of ROB observed a 2-minute silence at the hospital and sent their condolences to the bereaved family as well. The DM College Alumni Association expressed their sorrow at the sudden demise of their executive member Ningthaujam Nabachandra Singh, renowned singer and former director of Song and Drama Division, in a press release. Late N. Nabachandra Singh was instrumental in the activities of DM Alumni Association. A virtual condolence was held and the members observed 2 minutes silence. The association also shared the sorrow of the bereaved family, continued the release. Sibong Kuding Thabi Village Authority, Sibong Kuding Thabi Youth Club and Sibong Kuding Thabi Women Development Organization thanked the district administration, Tingnopal and DC Praveen for providing all the necessities to get the villagers vaccinated in a press release. The awareness program of COVID vaccination by Dr. Sweetie Thangyao enlightened the villagers who were hesitant to get vaccinated before, press release added. Time for another break. See you on the other side.
Asimune, akhoi pon vaccine kap thokuna, corona deng thokuna, hani principle hanjano hanabada adon srok yabi.
Hello and welcome back. Mohamed Raju from Yaribog, Ngarian signed with Spanish professional football club Atletico Madrid in under-17. He was previously selected in 2019 and was again selected in 2021. The Arunachal government has decided to allow only vaccinated individuals to enter the bordering state, health officials said on Thursday. During a virtual meeting on Wednesday, Chief Secretary Naresh Kumar informed Union Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Bhalla that the state government has also undertaken aggressive testing for COVID-19. Kumar said that the state has adopted a 3-pronged strategy to prevent the spread of the virus. The steps include extensive tracking and testing, enforcement of COVID-19 appropriate behavior, and vaccination. Thousands of farmers on Thursday came out to the streets in various parts of Punjab in response to a call given by the Samyukta Kisan Morcha SKM to hold nationwide protests against the rising fuel and cooking gas prices. Farmer unions across Punjab protested for 2 hours by parking their vehicles at the side of the road and raising slogans against the Modi government. Women protesters too joined in by carrying empty LPG cylinders on their heads and raising anti-Modi slogans. The farmers also honked their horns of their vehicle for 7 to 8 minutes to draw the attention of the government towards the rapidly rising inflation. At least 52 people died in a fire that engulfed a food and beverage factory outside Bangladesh's capital, fire officials said Friday. The blaze began Thursday night at the 5-story Hesham Food and Beverage Limited factory in Roopganj, just outside Dhaka. 26 workers were injured when they jumped from the upper floors as the fire engulfed the building, according to a report. The Bashish Bardhan, Deputy Director of the Fire Service and Civil Defense, said 52 bodies have been recovered from inside the factory and rescue operations are continuing. He said the top 2 floors have not been searched yet. The government ordered an investigation into the cause of the fire. The headlines once again. Mass testing will be done in each home, says Chief Minister N. Biren. Left parties of Manipur says they will support farmers in protest against price hike. ECOM requests government to look into COVID-19 illegal test kits in the black market. That's all for now. Thank you for watching ELITETV English News. Stay safe and have a nice day.